So hello everyone, and today we are going to discuss types of medications. Okay, so it is very important lecture for pharmacy students as well as MSc pharmaceutical or medicinal. Okay, or industrial chemistry. Okay, so come on the first slide. In this slide, I have added the aqueous solution. Okay, since aqueous represented the water moiety and solution is indicating the that it is a mixture of substances. Okay, so besides water, drug is present. Okay, so one or more drug dissolved in water form the aqueous solution. Okay, so it is one medications. Okay, the second medication is capsules. Okay, so actually you should be know about that capsule is made up of two. One is two layers. One is gelatin. Okay, it is the external layer, and inside that either three form of chemicals. Either the nature may be powder or gel form, or it may be liquid in nature. Okay, so inside the gelatin drug molecule is present. Okay, and nature of drug molecule either may be powder or gel or liquid. Okay, so actually it is made up of gelatin. So why it is made up of gelatin? Because gelatin is very easily soluble in the water. Okay, so inside, if inside the stomach water is present, so after reaching that part it will dissolve very easily. Okay, so that's why it the gelatin it the composition of outer covering of capsule means you can say the nature of outer covering of capsule is gelatin. Okay, the next one is caplets. Okay, so it is tablet coated with gelatin that gets dissolved in stomach. Okay, so similar it is tablet, but the nature is only solid. Okay, so this is the tablets and outer coating is gelatinous. Okay, okay, so this is also get dissolved in the stomach. Okay, so next we will talk about the emulsion. Okay, so what is the emulsion? Drug in which one liquid is spread by means of small droplets over another liquid of fat globules in water or water globules in fat. Okay, so nature is solution. It is solution form, but the composition is either water in liquid means water will present, and liquid and lipid will be present. Okay, or you can say fat will be present. Okay, so since fat is hydrophobic and water is hydrophilic, so that's why it is not soluble in each other. Okay, so it looking like droplets. Okay, so okay, so it is the emulsion. Okay, enteric coated tablets, it is another medications, and enteric coated tablets is tablet coated with substance that block absorption of drug. Okay, until it reaches to the small intestine. Okay, so these enteric coated tablets, when it reaches to the intestine it will absorb. Okay, and before it will not absorb means other parts of the body will not absorb these tablets. Okay, so enteric coated tablet is target oriented and only dissolve in the small intestine. Okay, next medication is lotions. Okay, so lotion is a drugs in liquid suspensions intended for external use. Okay, so okay, so it is used externally, you can say, means it is applied in the skin, outer surface of skins. Okay, so next we'll talk about the other medication, which is ointments. Okay, so nature of ointments is semi-solid preparation of drug. Okay, means it will semi-solid. Okay, means it is viscous, you can say. Okay, that applied and absorbed by the skin. Okay, so it is used also externally. Okay, next we'll talk about the paste. Okay, so it is semi-solid form of drug, thick or stiff than ointment, that is applied to and absorbed by the skin but penetrates the skin less than ointments. Okay, means easy, it is more semi-solid, and it is less absorbed by the skin as compared to the ointments. Okay, patches, actually it is very important medications, and it is drug encapsulated in a manufactured material. It is the manufactured material, and inside the drug is encased. Okay, and that allowed continuous drug absorption through skin at a steady rate. Okay, so slowly it is absorbed by the skins. Okay, next we'll talk about the pills. Okay, so drugs in powder form. Okay, so pills, in the pill drug is present in the powder form. Okay, and it is mixed in the consistent materials. These are single doses unit made by the mixing powder drug with liquid such as syrup and rolling the mixer into round and oval shape. Okay, so one is one ingredient in mixed powder drug which is liquid, and liquids either it maybe syrup or rolling the mixture, okay, into round, and means powder drug is in caps, okay, and it is looks like round or oval shapes, okay, so it is the pills, okay. The next one is powder. It is finely ground, you can see this one of a drug. Some are used internally, okay, and some are used externally. So it is in both uses, means it is also used externally as well internally, okay. Next we'll talk about the plaster. So you can see this is the plaster solid preparation. It is the solid preparation used as a counter irritants or as a adhesive externally, okay. So next is suppository. It is very important medications, and a drug, if a drug is several drug, or you can see a drug or several drugs mixed in film bases, okay. So in this drug is mixed with film base, okay. The why it is used film base, because it melt easily at body temperature, okay. So it is used in this, and this firmly base may be glycerinate gelatin and safe for insert in the body cavity such as rectum, vagina, urethra. So these are the sites in which these suppository is used, okay. So the base melts easily and slowly at body temperature and releases the drug, okay. So these are the suppository drugs which is used either rectum, vagina, or other parts, okay. Next, we'll talk about the syrup. So it is very important medications in which drug is dissolved in a solution containing water and sugar, often used to distinguish unpresented drugs and smoothens the irritated membranes. Okay, so this is the syrup bottle. Inside the drug and some solution of water and sugar is present, and it is used for replacing the tablets which may be either nature, means either their taste is irritant or unpleasant, so that's why syrup is prepared, okay. And it is a formulation of drug, water, sugars, and other ingredients also present in it, okay. Next we'll talk about the spit. So all of you know that spit is the concentrated alcoholic solution of volatile substances, okay. Next, we'll talk about the tablets. So, tablet is a solid drug, is compressed or molded into particular shape, or maybe solid whole, chewed, or placed under tongue, depending upon the purpose. Okay, so tablet is the solid drug. Okay, and it is compressed or molded into particular shape, and there and it either may be used as a solid whole or chewed or placed under the tongue, depending upon their purpose. Okay. Next, we'll talk about the tincture. So it is the alcoholic or hydrocolloid solution prepared from drugs delivered from plants. Okay, so it is the tincture. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. And in this part, I have also explained all the medications which is used in the pharmaceuticals. Okay, and also in the last I have mentioned some questions. Okay, so you can solve okay, and check your knowledge that how you gain from this lecture. Okay, so these are 4 questions I have mentioned here, and their answer is also mentioned in the last slide. Okay, so you can guess your talent, you can say. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you all.